Hello. Welcome back to the Akwa Ibom TV. So, a couple of weeks ago, someone sent us a DM on Instagram. She lives in the US and she's planning to go to Akwa Ibom for a couple of days, Uyo specifically, to go to Uyo for a couple of weeks, not days, a couple of weeks. And she said she would like to go to the market. And she was asking if we have, she asked a couple of questions in terms of the kind of what to say when she's in the market. So I responded to her, and I think this is a good video idea, so I wanted to share with you guys. So when you get into the market and you get to someone's store, you greet me como, and that is you greeting. And you now ask, do you have amenye? So do you have, so for example, menye inong, do you have salt? Inong is salt. Amenye inong, so do you have salt? Menye rice. I'm saying amenye rice. Amenye adesi is rice. So do you have rice? So amenye is do you have? So when you hear someone say amenye, so you now have to impute what object or what you want to get from the person. So amenye is do you have? Then you want to say I want to buy. Nyem adideb. So I want to buy milk. Nyem adideb mong eba. Milk is mong eba. So nyem adideb mong eba. So how much is Akwa Ibom? So Akwa Ibom is how much is. Akwa Ibom is how much is. Then do you have change? Amenye ndianga. Ndianga is change. So menye ndianga. So these are like the basics that you need to use when you're in someone's store. Then when you finish buying, you say sosong, that means thank you. So you greeted going when you got into the person's store, me como, and as you're leaving you say sosong, so that is thank you. So these are like the basics that you need to survive in a market or in a market in Uyo, and hopefully this will help someone. Let's keep learning, let's keep preserving the language. If you have any question, you know what to do. Just send us a DM or send a comment. Use the comment section. Thank you.